Collateralization requirements for foreign reinsurers is an issue insurance regulators have been working on for years. In this interview with Insurance Journal, Gerald Sullivan, chairman of the Sullivan Group, gives us an update on progress made by the National Association of Insurance Commissioners.
Certainly. The group within NAIC that's dealing with this is the Reinsurance Task Force of NAIC. And they've been wrestling with this issue for quite a few years, frankly. And the heart of the issue as it started out had to do with the fact that reinsurers that are domiciled outside of the United States, when they write business on a U.S. ceding company, they're required to post 100% collateralization under that treaty, as opposed to U.S. domiciled reinsurers who are not required to post collateralization. And so the thought has been to establish more even playing field between the U.S. domiciled and the non-U.S. domiciled. As a matter of fact, today, U.S. cedents buy more reinsurance from non-U.S. domiciled reinsurers than from U.S. domiciled reinsurers. And that's just a nature of the way the business has moved and shifted and changed over the last 10, 15 years, something in that range. But there's been a lot of debate as to how it really works, what would make sense, what provides the kind of protection necessary to ceding companies. And the thought among a good number of us is that the issue is not as much a matter of where a reinsurer is domiciled, as much as it is the regulatory scheme under which the reinsurer operates and the financial capabilities of the reinsurer. Mm-hmm. And that's true whether they're located here in the United States or located in the United Kingdom or in Germany or Switzerland or France or wherever. And that's an issue that is now being addressed by the Reinsurance Task Force. It's a fairly complex issue at the moment. There will be further debate at the NAIC meeting in December. Mm-hmm. My guess is, however, they won't really come to a conclusion, even if they come to a conclusion then, but the earliest they're likely to come to a final conclusion will be in December at their meeting in Texas. Now, I am a member of the Interested Persons Group for Reinsurance, and so we've seen a lot of the materials that have been prepared by the NAIC Task Force on Reinsurance. And they're making some good progress, but there's still a lot of debate. It's the old game of the devil's in the details, mm-hmm. and that's what we're working through right now.